Hello, everyone, and welcome to our video. Before we jump into the content, I'd like to kindly ask for your support. If you enjoy what you see, please consider giving us a thumbs up, sharing this with your friends, and subscribing for more fantastic content. Your support means the world to us. Dear friends, today I want to talk to you about something that's as old as the hills, yet as timeless as the stars in the night sky. It's a simple but profound truth: seek, and you shall receive. You see, life is like a big market where you can find all kinds of things. Imagine you go to a fruit market. If you want juicy, sweet mangoes, what do? You seek them out. You don't just stand there and hope they'll fall into your hands. No, you walk around, you look, and when you find those ripe, delicious mangoes, you reach out and take them. Now, life is a bit like that fruit market. It's full of opportunities, dreams, and all sorts of wonderful things. But you have to seek them out. You have to go looking for what you want. Let me share a little story with you. Imagine a young student named John. He wanted to be the best in his class. He didn't just sit at home, crossing his fingers and hoping for good grades. No, he sought knowledge. He asked questions, he read books, and he listened in class. He sought what he wanted, and he received it. He became a top student. In our daily lives, this principle holds true. Think about your job, for instance. If you want to be the best at what you do, you have to seek it. You have to work hard, learn, and improve. It's not enough to wish for success, you have to actively chase it. Let's take Sarah, for example. She worked in an office, and she dreamed of a promotion. She didn't just sit there hoping her boss would notice her. No, she sought that promotion. She took on extra tasks, she worked late when needed, and she proved herself as a dedicated worker. And you know what? She received that promotion. In your everyday life, you can see this principle in action too. When you want something, you have to go out and get it. If you're hungry, you don't just sit there hoping food will magically appear on your plate. You get up, you go to the kitchen, and you make yourself a meal. You seek food, and you receive it. Now, let's talk about spirituality. Seeking isn't just about material things, it's also about the things that touch your heart and soul. If you want inner peace, you don't just wait for it to come knocking on your door. You seek it. You might seek it through meditation, prayer, or acts of kindness. When you do, you receive that inner peace. Think about it like this: if you plant a seed in the ground, you can't just hope it will grow into a beautiful flower. You have to water it, you have to care for it, and you have to give it sunshine. You have to seek the conditions for it to flourish. And when you do, you receive the beauty of a blossoming flower. So my dear friends, as you journey through life, remember these words: seek, and you shall receive. Don't just sit around waiting for things to happen. Go out there and seek what you want, whether it's knowledge, success, happiness, or inner peace. Sometimes, seeking can be hard. You might face obstacles, and you might have to work really, really hard. But remember, even when things get tough, keep seeking. Keep reaching for your dreams. Let me tell you about someone named Maya. She wanted to start her own business, but she faced many challenges. Money was tight, and she didn't have much experience. But she didn't give up. She sought advice from experts, she worked long hours, and she saved every penny she could. It was tough, but she kept seeking her dream. And you know what? She received success. Her business grew, and she achieved what she once thought was impossible. My friends, I want you to remember this: life is like that fruit market. It's filled with all sorts of wonderful things, but you have to seek them out. Don't be afraid to dream big, and don't be afraid to seek those dreams with all your heart. So, go out there, seek what you want, and I promise you, you shall receive. Whether you're a child dreaming of becoming a doctor, a student striving for good grades, an office worker chasing a promotion, or a spiritual seeker yearning for inner peace, seek your heart's desires, and they will come to you. Thank you so much for being a part of our community. If you found value in this video, don't forget to show your love by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and hitting that subscribe button for more amazing content. Your support truly means a lot to us. Thank you for listening, and may your journey be filled with the joy of seeking and receiving the beautiful blessings of life.